What's going on, millionaires? Hey, it's Devin here. Just want to give a quick testimonial and shout out to Wesley Virgin in Ariella. So tonight I'm going to give you a testimony about my experience so far for the Done For You services. So within 24 hours, I got my very first sale. That's so exciting.
Hello, it's pretty late, but it's not late. It's about 11:05 and I'm juiced and pumped. So I've been a part of Done For You services for about 2 weeks now, and yesterday was my first sale, and I made another sale today. I was literally just doing my hair, not expecting anything. I started in the beginning where it was very frustrating and very challenging, but I kept going and kept pushing and didn't give up, because I remember whenever I go on live and watch Ariella, she'll always tell us, like, okay, just because you get a sale doesn't mean anything. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Hello, I'm Aldo from Montreal, Canada. So, first of all, I was scrolling up on my Instagram feed. Then I saw the promoting video of Done For You service, Ariella and Wesley Virgin. The video caught my attention, so I clicked on the link. I was redirected on a WebEx. I watched the WebEx. I was hesitating, like everybody can hesitate, but I was like, but I'm a person who want to succeed, so I said, like, I can spend that amount in shoes, in clothes. I don't really need, so I said I want to take a risk. I want to try this program. Then I purchased the program. I followed the steps. And then I ran my first campaign.
Hi everyone, this is Eugene here from Vancouver Island in Canada. I just wanted to leave a quick review on the Done For You system. I would say prior to, I guess, becoming a part of the Done For You system with Wesley Virgin and Ariella, I had tried some online marketing and advertising stuff, but really didn't amount to very much. I didn't make any money. If anything, I lost more. Fast tracking now, I was able to sign up with the Done For You system with Wesley Virgin and Ariella, and I must say, following the system, following the process that they have, and implementing all of the strategies within the Done For You system.
Yo, it's Freddie. Definitely want to go ahead and get on here and thank Wesley and Ariella for setting up Done For You services. By all means, it's definitely a great system. I'm glad that you guys were able to set this up. I just got my first sale, and it was a great experience. Looking forward to so many more.